Hi everyone, Agustin here and welcome to Wigs Philippines. For this video, I'm going to show you a full lace silk base customized na human hair wig. So here it is. So medyo natanggal lang siya sa ating mannequin head, but this is it. Ayan. This one is a silk base and full lace pa. So as you may see, grabe, sobrang scalp na scalp siya. So let's try this on. By the way, it took us about 6 to 8 weeks for us to finish a single wig na full lace silk base because it's fully custom. So expect that it's more pricier than the regular wig na ready-made. So I'll show you the inside cap construction. So ito yung ating namimimik natin yung scalp, itong part na to. And then dito, lahat yan lace. So, each strand of hair is individually hand-tied sa mismong lace. And then, we also added clips, just like this one. Same as the hair extensions. Diba, yung mga clip-in hair extensions, ganito yung ginagamit natin. So, we have 3 of that. So, dito, dito, and dito. We also have a adjustable straps na you may hook dito. And at the same time, we also attach an elastic band, which is this one. So, let's try this on. But before that, I have to dive into the wig. So, yan, kunin lang natin yung elastic band. And then, to follow yung actual wig. May excess lace pa siya. So, yeah. So, by the way, excess lace are proof na bago ang wig. Right? So, ayan, may excess lace pa dyan. So, I just wanna push it back. Yan. Alright. So, ayan siya. So, as you may see, yan. Naka-expose naman yung ears dito. And also here. Ayan. You may see. Yan siya. And at the back, I'll show you the back. So, yeah. It's just so nice. Tingnan yung silk base. Grabe, scalp na scalp. So, if interested kayo in wigs like this one, na kino-custom size talaga namin, then please do message us here at Wigs Philippines and we'll be more than happy to create a specific wig that is designed specifically for you. So, hindi ito yung basta-basta kukunin mo lang and you'll wear it and medyo maluwang. With us, we can make sure na sobrang fit niya para mas maganda yung pagsuot natin sa wig. Alright, so again, this one is 100% human hair in silky straight texture. So, even after washing, ganyan siya kabagsak. So, hindi na yung pagka-wash mo buwaghag yung wig. But this one, no. Ganyan siya. Alright, so again, if you're interested, please don't hesitate to message us here at Wigs Philippines. You can check our social media account on the description box below. Thank you so much for watching and have a great one, everyone. Bye!